Do you want to register a domain name separately from your web hosting provider? If your answer is yes, then in this video, I'm going to show you how to register a domain name separately from your web hosting provider. Web hosting platforms do register domains as well as host your domain for you. But why do you want to register your domain at a different place rather than registering your domain with your web hosting provider? Let's find that out in this video. Hello guys, this is Sadiq here at Dikupages Web, where I do web tutorials just like this one. So if you are new here, consider subscribing. That said, let's jump into the video. Now, some reasons why you may want to consider registering your domain with a domain registrar. One reason why I prefer registering my domain separately with a domain registrar is that it is easier to switch web hosting service provider. Another reason why you may want to consider registering your domain name separately with a domain registrar is that there are instances you are not ready to run your website yet, but you want to keep your domain name. So it is advisable to register your domain so that you keep your name for future use. So now let me walk you through how to register your own domain name. To do that, head over to dikupages.com, then /Namecheap. Hit enter. I'll leave a link in the description down below to Namecheap. It's an affiliate link. I'll get a commission when you buy through this link. So in here, you can register a new domain or transfer your existing domain to Namecheap. I'm not doing any transfer. I'll rather register a new domain. So in here, I search for the domain I want to register. Take note that a domain name cannot be registered twice, which means if a particular domain is already registered, you cannot register it for the second time. So you need to search for a domain name that is custom to your business needs. So I enter the domain name I want to use. So this is the domain name I want to register, myhomeandtools.com. Take note that there are so many domain extensions you can use, that is .com, .net, .org, .biz, and so on. However, if you want to go international, I would advise you use .com. So I click on search. Let's see if it is available. Okay, my domain name is available and it will cost me $7.98 per year. However, as a new user to Namecheap, I can use a coupon code to reduce the price to $5.98, and the coupon code is NEWCOM598. Take note, this is applicable to only new customers. I add to cart. I view the cart. In here, you can choose to register your domain for 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, up to 10 years. But I'll stick to 1 year for now, and I click on checkout. One important feature I like about Namecheap is that they have domain privacy. With domain privacy, you'll be free of spammy messages from people who will be checking up upon your domain name. So usually when you register your domain name, you get unnecessary messages from people who want to sell you some service. With Namecheap, this can be avoided. So what you need to do is enable this, and it will be enabled by default. So this is the total price I'll be paying. That is the cost of the domain and then cost of ICANN fee, which is $0.18. However, I have a coupon code to use as a newcomer. So I enter it in here. I click on apply. Sorry, we encountered an error while applying your coupon code. So to be able to use this coupon code, I need to log in. And if I don't have an account, I can create a new account. So I click on create free account. I enter my username, password. So I'll quickly fill up this form and get back to you. Okay, I'll fill up the form. I don't want to receive newsletters. I click on create account and continue. So in here, I enter the promo code again, apply. Coupon code successfully applied. And now this is the price I'll be paying. I confirm order. In here, you can fill up your company details. Meanwhile, I'm not registering on behalf of a company, so I uncheck this and I go ahead and fill up these details. Okay, I'll fill up my details and I'll click on continue. Now I leave all these details as it is. Then I click on save the configuration above to my default checkout settings. Now I click on continue. So in here I choose my payment method. You can use card, PayPal or account funds. I'm going to use my credit card. So I'll do this pretty quick and get back to you. Okay, I'll fill out my payment details and I'll click on continue. So in here, I don't do anything. What I do is just go ahead and click on pay now. Now Namecheap is processing my order. And there we go. Thank you for your purchase. Now the payment is successful. So you can go ahead and check your email for your payment details. So after the successful payment, you can go ahead and manage your domain by clicking on manage here. So this page here has the list of all my domains. Under name servers, you can go ahead and choose your name servers. You can either choose Namecheap name servers, or if you have a hosting somewhere else, you can just come here and update your name servers. You can do that by dropping the arrow beside name servers. You can go in for Namecheap basic DNS. You can also use Namecheap web hosting DNS. That is if you have a hosting with Namecheap. Or you can also use a custom DNS. That is if you are hosting your website somewhere. So I click on the custom DNS. And in here, you enter name server 1 and name server 2, which will be provided by your hosting provider. So when that is entered, you click on the save icon right here. I don't know why it is very small like this. In my opinion, it should have been like a button, like the buy now button. So this is how you can buy your domain with Namecheap. So to wrap up, your domain name should always be kept separate from your web host to avoid pitfalls such as domain name loss. If you decide to move to another site builder or web host, keep your domain name registered elsewhere so that you ensure your name will not be locked with your current web hosting provider. So that's it on how to purchase a domain name from Namecheap. I hope this video was helpful. If you found value, kindly hit the like button, subscribe, and also enable the notification bell so that each time I post a new video on this channel, you'll be the first to know. Keep watching and I will see you in the next video.